Cornelius Coughlan VC was an Irish recipient of the Victoria Cross, the highest and most prestigious award for gallantry in the face of the enemy that can be awarded to British and Commonwealth forces. Details: he was 28 years old, and a colour sergeant in the 75th Regiment of Foot, British Army during the Indian Mutiny, when the following deeds took place on the 8th of June and the 18th of July 1857 at Delhi, India, for which he was awarded the VC, for gallantly venturing under heavy fire, with 3 others, into a serai occupied by the enemy in great numbers, and removing Private Corbett, 75th Regiment, who lay severely wounded. Also for cheering and encouraging a party which hesitated to charge down a lane in Sabzi Mandi, at Delhi, lined on each side with huts, unraked by a crossfire, then entering with the said party into an enclosure filled with the enemy, and destroying every man, for having also, on the same occasion, returned under a crossfire to collect doolies, and carry off the wounded, a service which was successfully performed, and for which this man obtained great praise from the officers of his regiment. Queen Victoria felt moved to write a personal letter to Sergeant Major Coughlan on hearing about his acts of bravery. Further information: the soldier returned from India to serve for 2 decades in the Connaught Ranges in his native Ireland, achieving the rank of Sergeant Major. He died in Westport, County Mayo on the 14th of February 1915 and is buried locally in Augervale Cemetery near Murrisk. The medal, his Victoria Cross, is displayed at the National War Museum of Scotland. Coughlan remembered. In August 2004, a retired Irish Army officer, Captain Donald Buckley of Military Heritage Tours, erected a headstone at the previously unmarked grave in Augervale Cemetery, Westport, Co. Mayo, Ireland. The Irish Defence Minister unveiled the headstone, and in so doing the Irish government formally recognised for the first time the Irish nationalist, Catholic tradition in the British Army. The ceremony was attended by the British ambassador and the British defence attaché. Many regimental, ex-servicemen and historical associations from Ireland and the UK attended and participated in the ceremony, which followed an ecumenical service. More than 500 people, including descendants from Bradford and Glasgow in the UK, watched as 10 Connaught Ranges reenactors from Ireland and the UK fired a volley of shots over his grave.